friends, this is Shilpa from Mystic Vision by Shilpa. Today we are going to be unboxing the Oracle cards by Sandra Anne Taylor. These are the energy Oracle cards. Just see how beautiful the box has come with all this nice packaging. Really nice. One major thing I would like to tell you, whenever we are doing an unboxing, just don't rip the paper apart. Try to find some place like these edges or something from where we can actually just pull apart the paper. Yes. So this is the unboxing for Energy Oracle cards by Sandra Anne Taylor. This comes with a book, the guidebook, through which we can look through the cards. This is the contents where we get to know the cards, the sun, journey, blossoming abundance, happy family, and so on and so forth. So this does show us 53 card deck. Then we have about the artist, about the author. So this is quite a nice book. So whenever we feel we need some guidance for the card, and whichever card pops up, we can definitely just go to those pages and just flip it through. There are some affirmations. Yes, for each and every card. There's an affirmation as well. So 53 cards, a beautiful book. This is the Energy Oracle cards. Wow. This is so nicely packed. Yes. Opening. Lovely. See, we can see the edges are also very, very beautifully done. See, this is the back of the card. Very, very pretty, ornamental. Yes, we start here with the sun card. So pretty it is looking. See how catchy the flavors are coming out in this card. Then we have the journey card. We have the blossoming abundance card. Or a happy family card. The attachment card. Contract. This is the community card where we are seeing 3 girls sitting. It looks pretty. Indecision card. We can see the 2 paths which are here. A broken heart card. Storm warning. Cornucopia. Yes, beautiful it is looking. Such a vibrant effect this card is giving. The temple path. Financial constraints. Caring connection. So card number 14. Caring connection. Appreciation. Patience. Action. Yes, we can see the horse. One horse is really galloping fast, so there is some action. The 18th card, anxiety. Rest and rejuvenation. Yes, some point in time, our guides do guide us. We need some rest and rejuvenation. This is the envy card. The the strategy card, card number 21. The yin and yang card. All tied up. Adjacent possibilities. Deceit. 25th card. Deceit. Hostilities. Can you see the vibrations which is coming out of the card? You have to just feel it. The colors. It's really, really catching us. Walking away. How lovely. Victory card. The World card. The Garden and the Gate. Door to Value. Beautiful card. Door to Spirit. Card number 32. Door to Spirit. Door to Romance. Yes, my friends, door to romance. Door to Healing and Happiness. Door to Personal Healing and Happiness. Card number 34. First chakra, Archangel Michael. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel. Third chakra, Archangel Shamiel. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel. Card number 42, Woman Holding a Coin. Beautiful, this card. Man holding a coin. Woman holding a heart. Man holding a heart. The Thinking Man. The Thinking Woman, card number 47, The Thinking Woman. Card number 48, Angel of Balance. Card number 49, Angel of Love. Angel of Strength. Card number 51, Healer of the Ages. Goddess of the Moon. It seems like she's moonbathing. The moonlight is so powerful. 53rd card, Magician and the Mirror. So friends, here we have unboxed the energy oracle cards.